9th of July 2021. Here's Tupavuori 3, staircase C, here in Kulosaari, Helsinki, Finland. And all of these residential, this residential building was built clearly with the metro in mind, as this has to be early 1978, built by ValmetSchlieren, and turning 45 years old in 2023. And it will be expected in next year, 2022. The serial number is VS5187 and the capacity is 4 persons, 305 grams. And now let's ride it. You can also watch all the other staircases here as we have the code.
Jos tippaakin vain sutta, meidän teeppäis pois.
This hasn't been badly modernized with SYS generics.
Yeah.
Because in the building nearby there's one which wasn't generics.
Yeah.
But this wasn't. Because this is a metro housing heritage.
Yeah.
Yes, of course it's in the suburb, but it's very nice and beautiful here.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's